Welcome to Anatomy Files, where science unlocks secrets.
This factory never shuts down. The entire blood of the body comes here every day and is purified repeatedly. It eliminates every harmful substance. There is silence here, but the work is constant. This isn't a scene from a Hollywood science fiction film. This is the story of your own body. Yes, this is your liver. Today we will journey into the unique world of the liver, where ancient myths and modern science come together to create a story that will amaze you. The liver is the largest internal organ in our body, located beneath the ribs in our abdomen. It weighs approximately 1.5 kilograms and performs over 500 functions at a time. To understand the liver's performance, we can divide it into three important areas. First, the liver is the center of metabolism. It converts all the important nutrients obtained from our food, such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, into energy. It stores glucose by converting it into glycogen, and when the body needs energy, it converts it back into glucose and adds it to the blood. This process helps maintain blood sugar levels. It produces important proteins, such as albumin, which maintains blood pressure, and also creates clotting factors to stop blood from flowing in case of an injury. In addition, the liver is the body's filter and purification system. When blood passes through the stomach and intestines, all the chemical substances, medicines, and toxins reach the liver. The liver converts these substances into compounds that can be excreted from the body through urine or bile. The liver also breaks down old and damaged blood cells and recycles the materials obtained from them. Finally, it is a storage warehouse. The liver not only makes things, but also stores important vitamins, A, D, E, K, and minerals, such as iron and copper. These vitamins and minerals are very essential for the body's various functions, and the liver keeps a suitable amount of them stored. The liver is not just an organ. It has been a mystery to humans for thousands of years. We find an example of this in the stories of Greek mythology, where Prometheus was chained, and an eagle would eat his liver every day, but his liver would grow back overnight. This is actually the oldest concept of the liver's extraordinary ability to regenerate itself. The importance of the liver in history is even deeper. The ancient Greek philosopher and physician Galen believed that the liver produces blood in the body and is related to a person's anger and emotions. He considered it the seat of the soul. In addition, the ancient Babylonian priests also predicted the future by looking at the livers of animals. For them, the liver was like a divine book in which they read their destiny. The scientific journey to understand the liver is full of many failures. In the 19th century experiments, scientists like Claude Bernard for the first time proved that the liver is not just a filter, but it is also the body's chemical factory. Then the first human transplant occurred, which changed history. On July 23, 1967, at the University of Colorado, Dr. Thomas Starzl made history by performing a successful liver transplant on a 1-year-old girl named Julie Grace Riddle. This was the first time a liver transplant patient lived for a long time. Before his success, this was considered an impossible task. Today, science is completely transforming the treatment of the liver. The year 2021 brought the beginning of a new chapter in medical history, when scientists, through an experimental treatment named NTLA-2001, declared a new war against genetic diseases. This treatment is based on CRISPR-Cas9 technology, but its biggest success is that for the first time it was delivered directly into human liver cells. Scientists used an advanced technique called lipid nanoparticles to deliver this powerful weapon of gene editing to specific liver cells. This method was successful in reducing the production of harmful proteins by 80 to 90%. This was the first successful in vivo, meaning inside a living body, gene editing experiment in human history, which was a revolutionary step. This experiment has proven that in the future, the treatment of many hereditary diseases, such as genetic diseases of the liver, will become possible. This is not just a treatment, but the beginning of a new era of genetic medicine. In late 2022, the world of medicine achieved another major success in the field of genetic treatment. On November 22, 2022, the American Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved a medicine that created new hope for patients with a genetic disease called hemophilia B. This medicine is named Hemgenix, and it is a gene therapy for the treatment of hemophilia B. This treatment targets the liver, as the liver is the organ that produces the proteins necessary for blood clotting. Hemgenix uses a special type of vector called AAV5. This vector delivers a correct gene to the liver cells, which restores the production of factor IX, an essential element for blood clotting. As a result, patients need fewer, frequent treatments to prevent bleeding events. This is not just a new medicine. It is proof that the liver can be used as an important target for the treatment of genetic diseases, which can make the treatment of many more hereditary diseases possible in the future. The year 2025 brought a new revolution to the medical world with an experiment that turned science fiction into reality. In the city of Xi'an, China, at the Xijing Hospital, a team of doctors led by Professor Lin Wang transplanted the liver of a gene-edited pig into a brain-dead patient. This was no ordinary pig. It was specially prepared with 6 gene edits to prevent its liver from having a severe rejection response from the human immune system. In this surgery, the patient's original liver remained intact, and the pig's liver worked as an auxiliary liver. It was like a bridge organ that provided additional support to the body. This experiment lasted for about 10 days, and during this time, scientists made some astonishing observations. The pig's liver successfully produced bile, which is essential for digestion. In addition, it also produced porcine albumin, an important protein in the blood. This was irrefutable evidence that a gene-edited pig's liver can function effectively in the human body. This is the first documented case of its kind that has shown it is possible to use genetically modified animal organs in humans. This experiment is a potential solution to the severe organ shortage in the future, especially for patients who are waiting for a transplant. There are some facts about the liver that will amaze you. The liver's incredible ability is that if even 75% of its part is removed, it can grow back. And when you are in a deep sleep, your liver is at its busiest. It controls cholesterol and other important chemicals. In addition, there are some more hidden facts. The blood supply to all the other organs in your body comes from a single artery, but the liver gets blood from 2 different pathways, one from an artery and the other from the digestive system, portal vein. This dual supply gives the liver a unique status in our body, which shows the complexity of its work. Did you know that when a baby is in the mother's womb, its liver is the first organ that starts making blood? It is one of the main blood-forming organs before birth, which shows its biological importance. Finally, approximately 1.5 liters of blood passes through the liver every minute. Just imagine how much work your liver does every minute. You can make your liver strong by adopting a balanced diet, exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. The liver truly is a silent hero. As long as it works well, life feels easy. If you liked this amazing world of the liver, Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that we keep bringing more informative and interesting videos like this for you. Did you know that there's something even more mysterious hidden inside your body? Be sure to tell us your opinion in the comments.